First off, I just want to say thank you to all you cool cats and kittens. You know what I'm talking about. In these trying times, let's do what we do best. Share our core values. This is Captain Liberty, GYB. Got your back. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Giving a vocal solo to start the song is the only way. I'm talking about that. Whoa. First, integrity, and you know we got that down. We really show it, we don't give nobody the runaround. Second is excellence, this song. The third is caring. Well, I could go on and on. Next is kindness. That's how I treat you and you. A fifth is fairness. We're all equals. We all have a very special haboo. I want to slow down for a minute and talk about this next one, teamwork. Through this unprecedented time, we really have lived this value. From AMs to AEs, producers, claims department, our executive team, we've really answered the question, why liberty? But a very special thank you to our ops and IT departments. Take a minute to pat yourself on the back, then hop on Microsoft Teams, because Skype is no longer going to be used, and get a virtual pat on the back. You're the real MVP. Final values, good feeling and fun. They're kind of self-explanatory. That's why they're not number one. I'd like to end this with a very special thank you to Jerry Pickett for tickling them ivories, Kaz Caswell for revving that cycle, Bill Johnson for making them crystal balls sang, and of course Captain Liberty, whose voice can only be described as beef jerky, soaked in whiskey, and left out to dry on a hot summer day.